have any cockfights in here. Oh dear, 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 this wasn't such a good idea, maybe. I want everyone to settle down normally. Hey, Cranberry! Cranberry! Stop it! Stop it! Thank you. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Yeah, well, Kirsty's in a right temper over there. Well, we're going to behave ourselves. Stop it, Cranberry. Stop it. It's okay. No! Stop that. You're hurting him. Poor little thing. He's only a young thing. Sorry, it's okay. I know, I know. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I know. They're being horrid to you. There. Right, well, they've all gone to a master to Kirsty. Well, he wants some. It's okay. Oh, the others are all ganged up there because Kirsty's kept in the thing. Cranberry's on the attack. Stop that. Stop it. It's okay. Right. We're going to calm down now. Kirsty's growling away. Cranberry's still going for the... Oh. There we go. Have a bit of drinkies. There we go. There we go. Ah, voila. That's better. We're thirsty. Right. Right. Can we calm down? I know you want Kirsty's leadership, but I'm not letting her out. She's the nuisance. You're staying there, Kirsty, till you behave yourself. You get used to him in the house. Yes, okay. It's okay, Cranberry. It's okay. It's okay. That's it. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Well, Kirsty's not coming out. No. No. She's the ringleader. She's a damn nuisance. There we go. I'm going to get you some food now, eh? Come on, Cranberry. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's better. Right, I'm going to get you some food. Eh? Try not to kill each other in the meantime.